In this video, we are going to see and resolve a very annoying problem while you are screen recording on an iPhone, that the recording automatically stops when you leave it idle for some time on an iPhone. So how we can disable that option so it doesn't automatically stop the recording. So first of all, just remember that there is no setting on iPhone to disable the automatic stopping. That means it is not automatically stopping your screen recording. Rather, the reason is that either your iPhone runs out of storage, or if you leave it idle, the auto lock feature you see on iPhone, if the auto lock turns the screen off, then it will stop the recording as well. So in order to disable that or set it to never so that it doesn't automatically stop the recording and locks the phone, here's what you need to do. First of all, head over to the settings and go to display and brightness. And from here, the auto lock is set to 30 seconds. We will set it to never. And after that, the problem should be resolved. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.